If you've ever tried copying equations from ChatGPT, you probably noticed that the formatting can break, especially when you paste it into Word, Google Docs, or another document. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to copy equations from ChatGPT properly without losing the structure or making a mess of your document. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tips and AI how-to guides. Let's get into it. The first thing you need to understand is that copying equations directly from ChatGPT can sometimes give you plain text, broken symbols, or formatting that doesn't transfer cleanly. That's why the best method is to use a web converter if you have a long chat with multiple equations, or if you want a cleaner export. A good example is a tool like MarkDocx or a similar equations to Word converter. These tools are designed to help you move content from a chat format into a document format much more smoothly. So here's the process step by step. First, open your ChatGPT conversation and find the response that contains the equation you want to copy. At the bottom of the response, click the copy icon. This copies the text from ChatGPT, including the equation content, so you can move it into the converter. Next, open a browser tab and go to a converter site like MarkDocx. Once the site loads, you'll usually see an input box where you can paste your copied text. Paste the content from ChatGPT directly into that box. If your conversation contains several equations, you can paste the full section all at once, which saves time and keeps everything together. After pasting, look for the Convert button or an option that says Download as DOCX. Click it to process the text. The converter will take the ChatGPT content and transform it into a more usable document format, which is especially helpful if you want to preserve equation layout as much as possible. Once the conversion is complete, download the file and open it in Word or your preferred document editor to check the formatting. If needed, you can make small adjustments after downloading, but in most cases, this method is much cleaner than pasting directly from ChatGPT. Another helpful tip is to keep your equations separated clearly inside the chat when possible, because that makes them easier to copy and convert. If you're working with a long response, copying one section at a time can also help you avoid formatting issues. And if you're transferring equations into a report, assignment, or tutorial document, always review the final output before submitting or sharing it. That way you can catch any symbol changes or spacing problems early. So to quickly recap, copy the equation from ChatGPT, paste it into a web converter like MarkDocx, convert or download the file, and then check the result in your document editor. It's a simple workflow, but it can save you a lot of frustration. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe, because I'll be making more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.